What is going on, guys? So, as most of you know, I do have a baby on the way. He is due April 8th, 2024. So, just to protect the back seat of my car, I got this OEM seat cover from Subaru. Guys, we're going to lay this thing down just to kind of protect the seat. I got it for my dog as well, but with a son and a dog in the back seat, sometimes you need all the protection you can get. So guys, with that being said, let's get this car baby and dog proof. Let's install this rear seat cover on my 23 WRX. Alright guys, here's the part number for anyone curious. This is for the 22 and up WRX. Now, if you have the base model, make sure you get the one without center armrest. If you have the Premium, Limited, and GT, you will want to get with center armrest cover. So this is the one with the armrest cover. So I've kind of opened this. The only thing I did, this goes on the fold down armrest. Got the WRX logo. I really like that. Lay that to the side. Oh yeah, got the red and black stitching. Gonna go really good with the car. So I'm gonna try to set the camera up, guys, and film this the best I can. Yeah, this goes over the headrest. So yeah, looks like it's gonna be pretty good protection. So guys, I'm gonna try to set the camera up and get this thing installed. I'm gonna make my way over there. I'm probably gonna move the camera, but this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna link a PDF file of step-by-step directions too down in the description box below, because I know this is hard to film. Alright, kind of showing y'all what I got going on so far. So there's the holes I was telling you about that line up. Guys, here's the final look. Guys, the fitment on this is really great. The only thing I'm going to check on, it kind of hides your third seat belt, but you have access to it here, but I'm not sure if I did something wrong. We'll go double checking the directions and I'll let you know, but for now I just wanted to kind of give you an overview of it. So the car seat base is going here, and yeah guys, I'm really pumped. Love the WRX logo. Guys, like I said, I'll link this product down in the description box below, along with the PDF directions. What's up, guys? This clip is being filmed months after I filmed the last clip. Guys, this year's been crazy. I've taken another break from YouTube, but just a lot of changes this year. Guys, this has literally been the greatest year of my life. Probably next video I release, I'll probably do like a life update. You know, my son, in the previous clips, you know, I stated I was getting the seat cover in preparation of having a baby. My son is almost 8 months old, so that tells you how long it's been since I filmed any videos. But guys, I'm back. I just got back from the SEMA show. I'm more motivated than ever to do YouTube and get this build going. The VB platform, a lot of people's having really good success. They're saying it's one of the best WRXs ever, and I'm just really excited to release an update video for you guys. Just tell you what I've been doing, kind of a life update. Those videos aren't always popular, but to those that truly follow me, I know you'll watch it and truly appreciate it. In the last clip, I was talking about the third seat belt. I messed it all up. I wanted to kind of give you all a look at how it looks now, because now the seat cover ain't wrinkly now that it's been on there for about 7 or 8 months. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you. So like I said, it still looks great. And car seats here. So I said that you had to access the third seat belt from this. I lied. So what you do, you fold this seat down and you just run the third seat belt. So it's a 60-40 seat. So 60% to the armrest, right? So you fold this down and you run this seat belt. Instead of laying it flat here, you run it all the way around to here, and then that's how you have access to your third seat belt. So like I said, don't listen to me. I was wrong in that last clip. But guys, I know the seat cover is really expensive, but man, I think it looks excellent. And I mean, it's true OEM fit, you know what I mean? And it's served me really well, and definitely kept the car protected. So I wanted to throw this in, kind of a 8-month update, and just to show you that I did do that wrong in the last clip. Well, alright guys, what do you think about the OEM Subaru seat cover with the WRX logo? Comment down below. Like I said, I'll link everything in the description box below. Guys, I'm going to link some discount codes down below as well. Make sure you check those out. Make sure you check out the Amazon affiliate links. Click, purchase anything at no extra charge to you. It does help the channel out. And guys, the biggest way to help the channel out is just to make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really does help out. Like this video, share it with your friends if you know anybody that is getting a seat cover for their VBWRX. But again, thank you all so much for watching. Until next time. Let's go, bye-bye. Come on. Today, how you like it? What do you think about it, buddy? Is that it? Huh? Is that it? See it? You like your new seat cover? You like it?